Hey, watch out!
It's a crack on the sidewalk, and?
You know what they say, step on a crack, break your mother's back. Well, wife in your case.
That's a bunch of baloney. Look, I'll stomp on it right now. Oh, good Lord! See? Nothing happened.
Let me try. Hiya! Come on, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Okay, I'm coming.
Okay, let's play.
Yeah, let's play. Bro, I need to go to the bathroom. Can I use your bathroom?
Just through that room and around the corner.
Okay. No shoes in my house.
Mama?
Yes, baby.
I accidentally ate a mouse.
Oh, good Lord. We have to take you to the hospital. That mouse will eat the insides out of you.
Oh, no. That's why I'm smart.
Oh? Okay, how you smart?
Oh, I'm smart because I also ate some rat poison to take him out.
Oh my... What's wrong, honey?
There's this girl in my class and she says I'm the ugliest kid in the entire universe.
Oh, hell no. If she calls you ugly again, you tell her this.
Will that really work?
Oh, show.
Hey everyone, look, it's the ugliest kid in the whole universe. Well, you're the prettiest girl in the whole universe. Like, huh? You see, we both could tell lies. Can I please get some McDonald's?
I don't know, honey. Maybe tomorrow.
No. I promise I'll behave today.
I don't know. Not the puppy eyes. Okay, fine. I'll go in 20 minutes. Boy, I said okay, you can stop now. That kid is genius. I need to try that.
Alright, we're watching a movie. I don't need this. Yo, bro, what movie you think we're watching? Shh, stop talking. Nerd.
Good morning, class. I will be your substitute teacher for today.
Karen? Oh no. Oh well, at least we're watching a movie. Can we turn the TV on now?
Oh no, Timmy. This whole class will be doing a 5-page essay on history. This TV is...
Fran, give me all your money. Okay, please don't shoot. Please don't shoot. Wait, Greg? Mark? Holy crap, oh my God, Mark, long time no see, man. Been a while. Yeah, it has. Hey, get down on your knees real quick. How you been, man?
Just got back in town for vacation. How you been?
Oh, I've been great. But hey, you still date that girl, Jessica? Nah, me and her broke up a while back. But remember Stephanie from math class?
Yeah, I think I remember her.
Wow. It's our anniversary today.
Congratulations, man.
Yeah, it's been 6 years already. Yeah, cute kids, too. Thanks, man. All right, well, I'm about to pistol whip you, but it was nice seeing you again. Yeah, you too. All right, take care.
So where are your parents, kid?
At home?
Oh, why didn't they tag along with you?
Well, they said they'd rather watch TV than take me to the playground.
So you're gonna be completely alone.
Yeah?
Nice.
Let me guess, you're not really an Uber driver, you're a kidnapper.
Oh, hell yeah, I'm a kidnapper.
You're joking.
Oh, I don't joke on...
Why is the Wi-Fi password changed?
Oh, I changed it because your father kept selling the password to our neighbors.
Okay, then what's the password?
Wash my car first.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, Mom, I'm done washing your car. What's the password?
Wow, really? You ain't have to do that, though. Thanks.
But you said to wash your car first, and then you'll give me the password.
I wanna make this night go a million wrestling in the line of the fight.
Wow, nice quality belt. Is this all? Yeah, that's all. My other one broke because all the whoopings I do at home. Yeah, I wouldn't know what that's like. Okay, that would be $9. My God, what is this belt made out of gold? Okay, so the change will be $1. Oh, would you like to donate $1 to the poor? Sure. Awesome. $1 donated to the poor. Great. Honey? Honey, it's time for you to clean up.
Ow!
What are you doing with the glasses?
I'm just trying to see who the hell you're talking to.
Bah humbug! You watch your mouth and clean up the room!
But it's my damn room.
But it's my house.
Wrong. Dad bought it with his money, so it's his house.
Ryan, why is this trash still here? You were supposed to take it out.
Mom, I'm just fixing the TV quick. I'll do that in a second.
Why, Mom? Billy, can you take the trash out?
Oh, I can't. My leg is broken. Honey, sweetie pie, would you please take out the trash and afterwards we can get you some In-N-Out, Chick-fil-A, McDonald's, whatever you want, and all the dessert you could ever ask for.
Where did it go?
Timmy, come play with me.
I'm so lonely.
Mom, the phone wants me to play with it.
I don't think so.
Timmy, I know you want to disobey. Disobey.
1 second. Oh, Mom, my friend came over. Is that okay? Oh, sure. Hello. What's up, Mrs. M? Well, since you both are here, do you guys want to hear a joke? Okay, Mom, you're moving too fast. No. Sure. Okay. Now, why did the chicken cross the road? Just stop. You're not good at making jokes. Oh, really? Yeah, really, Mom. All right. That's a lie. Because I made you. I said you two are not going on a date, and that's final. Why can't you just mind your business? Sir, if I may. Do you see this chin? I'm strong, boy. So zip it. You're such a bug, Mom. Let them go, honey. Oh, okay. Looks like you two are going on a date. Thanks, Mom. Why are you here? To keep my eyes on you. Okay, but did you have to bring him?
Can we go order my Happy Meal already? I gotta go. What was that? Hello? I think they're playing a trick on me. Just go back to playing my game. Pay no mind. You're just freaking out because you're by yourself.
I will take your soul.
Player, give me some brew and I might just chill, but I'm the type that like to light another joint like.
Come on, you wuss. You can do better than that. Come on. Lift. You can do it, shrimp. Come on, do it.
Are you done? What do you know about lifting weights?
Excuse me, I know a lot. Look at these arms.
You call those arms? Those are twigs.
Sounds like someone's jealous. Now lift those weights up. Come on, lift like a real man.
All right, that's it. Oh. All right, son, we're gonna stop for a pee break in a couple of minutes, okay?
Oh, that's okay, Dad. I don't need to go no more.
Okay, whatever. And where did you get this juice from?
What juice? You didn't bring any juice.
This juice that was next to your damn foot.
Oh, that.
Boy, I need you to take out the trash and tuck in Timmy for a nap. Tuck in Timmy?
Do we have a problem with that?
No. Good, now get to it. Timmy tucked in, trash taken out. I'm good. Wait, hold up. Timmy? Timmy? If I tucked in the trash, then where I put Timmy? Holy sh...
No. Hey, look everyone, it's the boy who likes to eat gum from under the table. No, I don't. Well, I caught you in 4K yesterday. You're so nasty. Oh, really? Well, I've been called worse. Oh yeah? Like what? Your boyfriend.
Ouch.
Dad, spell fat.
F-A-T-H-E-R.
Now spell her. Okay, now what is it together?
Fat her. What's so funny?
Are you sure?
Yes, fat her.
Spell it again.
F-A-T-H-E-R. Fat her.
What are you to me?
I'm your father.
Spell father.
F-A-T-H-E-R.
Hey, baby, I gotta go. My mom is calling me.
Okay, baby. I love you.
I love you too.
Hey baby, are you done talking to that nerd?
Okay, you gotta stop talking while I'm on the phone with him, or he's gonna know about us.
Excuse me.
Nerd, let me see your paper so I can copy off of it. No, I need to finish or I'll get in trouble. Well, I'm more important. Let me see that paper or I'll give you a knuckle sandwich. Well, the teacher will see you do that and then you'll get in trouble. That's it. Ow!
Hey!
Now you're in trouble.
You two have to wait till after school to fight. Oh, and wait for me so I can record it and post it on my YouTube channel.
Yeah, do we have a problem? I don't, but you might because your handwriting is so ugly. Oh, really? My handwriting is ugly? Yeah, like the ugliest I ever seen in my life. Okay then, well it looks like my handwriting and your face have something in common. I don't like that principal we have. I say we prank him for the rest of the year. Ooh, that sounds like fun.
Excuse me, do you know who I am?
No, and I don't care.
Well, for your information, I am the principal's daughter.
Well, do you know who we are?
No.
Good. Come on, bro, let's go.
Well, for your information.
Spell red.
What? L-S-T-E-R.
What color is a carrot?
Carrot? I think it's a carrot. Carrot, but, I don't know about carrots. I don't know nothing about that.
If you dig a 6-foot hole, how deep is that hole?
It's about like 20 feet.
1 minus 1 equals?
Equals 35.
Where's my money? Don't look at me. Go to Timmy the thief. Are you sure you didn't steal your father's money?
No, it wasn't me this time.
I think you're lying.
I am not a liar.
Do it. Liar say what?
What?
Got you. Guilty.
Oh, it wasn't me!
Good.